Why so hard about this? This face doesn't look upset, it looks...
That's my angry face.
Right, like this. How do you feel about doing this on your Sunday? On your Sunday at the weekend? How does that make you feel? Get the anger.
It doesn't make me angry, it's just annoying.
Get the annoyance in your face.
Alright, hold on. No. Alright, let's just do this stupid picture, eh?
That's more like it. That's more like it.
Take the picture.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
I can't see your face.
You don't need to, you get the gist.
Hello, welcome back to my channel and to another minimalism and decluttering video. In today's video, we are going to be tackling the boys' bedroom. I've got my partner in crime. You guys loved him in the deep cleaning my house video because he literally is like getting behind the oven and like he's going to do a good job. So he's here to help me today. We're going to whiz through the boys' room. They've got so many toys that they just like they don't need them. They've grown out of them. We're going to give loads to charity and to family and friends. So we're going to whiz through. I'm going to show you now how bad it is in here. We've just kind of got, I'm sure if you've got children, things do stack up. So I'm going to get through it, we're going to declutter it, we're going to minimize it, and then it'll be Christmas, and then they'll probably get lots more from Santa. So, but you know, it's just a process, just to keep going through each few months, just to make sure they don't have too many things. So let's go, wish me luck. So I know how daunting it is to do this decluttering because if you've seen on my channel, I've got probably about 15 minimalism and decluttering videos. So what I want to do is to inspire you guys, because when I watch one, I then want to go and do it. So if you do the same, do let me know. Leave me a comment down below that you're doing it, and maybe even send me a picture so I can feature it in my next video to show you exactly what you've done as well, because I feel like it's so inspiring when you know that someone else has done it and you can see the results afterwards. So yeah, definitely follow along and let me know if you're doing the same.
On the way to being free.
So we've done two parts so far. The top of the wardrobe, chest of drawers, which was just full of clothes that were too small for Henry, too big for George, that were just going into storage. And then this, which is all cleaned up the top and obviously wiped down and everything. So we're gonna have some food now and then come back to it. That is my tip if you're doing decluttering. Don't try and push yourself if you're hungry, because you just won't be very good at it. Looks a bit weird that you're facing that way.
I'm not playing because I got sacked off the thumbnail for not making the right face.
So we're kind of, would you say we're halfway, or we're not quite? Don't be an idiot.
No, we're over halfway.
Yeah, I think we're coming to the end,
because
maybe.
it looks, once all this stuff's taken, so charity shop, all that stuff there. And when it's out of the way, it'll look loads tidier. So get rid of all that stuff at the charity shop. get rid of the old clothes and that stuff as well.
Yeah, let me show you what we've actually got rid of here. So it's quite impressive actually how much we've got rid of. So this is all for charity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags. Oh, 8 bags. And then still need to sort some like,
this is like the swimming stuff and
swim bag out. Just multiply.
Batman's belt, which obviously is important because it saves people. Superman's cape. Captain America's belt, very important.
Lots of accessories there, superhero accessories.
Spider-Man's hat.
That's not going to fit you if you even try putting that on. So the plan for this room is to get 2 bunk beds, not 2, a set of bunk beds along there. And then what I want to do, that's going, I want to get some hangers there. And then all of their superhero stuff can hang there because it should go quite nicely with the theming. And then here, I'm not quite sure what to do with that area. Maybe get a radiator cover because once the beds are that way, it will be quite a nice little area to feature, I guess. And then we're almost finished here as well, just sorting books out and giving things to family. And then this is also all clothes to go to charity as well. So yeah, quite a mammoth job. So we've got 2 big bin bags full of just stuff that's kind of not good enough for charity, and like books with rips and bits missing and stuff. So yeah, that stuff's going away.
On the way to being free.
I think we're done. I think this is as good as it's gonna get at the moment. Let me give you a little tour of how it looks now. Okay, so this is still a work in progress because obviously we will get bunk beds. Let me know also if you have any recommendations because I'm really looking for like the best, like the sturdiest kind, because Henry's, well, they kind of, I just know they're going to jump on them, so I want them to be really sturdy like this one. So yeah, we need to get rid of these 2. Oh, it'll be sad, but they're ready. And then I do still love where I decorated this room, I really love it. And then that will go, and we want to get the costumes little area over there because they just literally want to use them all the time. And then here is the Kallax side of it. These are pretty much empty, so I've just filled them with little bits. But each one of these, I think I might actually get my label maker out. So I've got craft, cars and trains. That one's a craft box as well. And then we've got all of their little rescue bots and Paw Patrol toys, things like that. Oh, we have got Play-Doh, the dreaded Play-Doh, and that needs to go up in the loft. That's a little pump for their ready bed. We have got all the toy food stuff. These are getting a bit worn. I need to get some new ones, I think. So I need to do some more downstairs, and then I could fill these up with more toys. And then these are the bigger cars and Transformers. And then we've got all their books, the hardbacked ones, soft ones, and these are like the educational ones. And then we were going to get rid of these for George, but he does still ask to play with them. So yeah, and then I'm just going to pop these in a little bag because these are all the ones from the busy books that we didn't keep because they were all just ruined. And then this I can't bear to get rid of because we used to sing this to both of them when they were little, so I just can't bear to get rid of it. This is Henry's memory box, so I just keep on adding stuff to that. And then we've got this lamp, which is from Next, and just feel like I still really love the decor. This is 2 years old now, I think. So yeah, I still really love it. They still love superheroes. And then we've got these up here stored nicely. That's quite a good spot for them, I think. That's the Kallax, and then windows still the same. And then we're gonna have to get rid of that canopy, which is a shame, when we get the bunk beds. And then the chest of drawers, as you saw by all the clothes that we got into bags, that's all gone and they're all sorted out. I've actually got a video if you want to see it of my Kon Marie method of sorting out that, so I'll link that down below. And then yes, that bit's done as well, but I wanted to ask, so I have downstairs a big toy box with all of loads of other toys in it, and I want to do another video, I think, because I think if I did it in this one it will just make it too big, and obviously it is a different room, different setup and stuff. So if you want to see that, do let me know in the comments, and also don't forget to tell me if you've joined in and you've decluttered, because I just feel like if you do it together it just is so much easier. So yeah, definitely send me a picture of what you've done or write me a comment down below and I can give you a shout out in my next video. But thank you for watching. I think I'm going to leave it here and I'll see you on my next one. I'll leave my minimalism playlist in the description bar if you want to see more videos like this. There's also loads of routines and cleaning and loads of other things. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!